Hey everyone, Drew Dillon from Project Lift, and last week I talked about breathing and bracing. Now if you've never thought about breathing, where to begin, you'd think just take a deep breath, right? Well, let me show you a couple drills, 3 to be exact, that are going to help you start down the path to breathe correctly so you can brace correctly, which is going to help all your skill movements through CrossFit, your weightlifting, snatch and clean, and also changing directions in the sports you may play, whether it be football, basketball, baseball, any sport where you have to change direction on a field or in any movement. Breathing like this is going to help. All right, so let's talk about a couple of those drills. First drill, extremely easy. What I want you to do is wrap your arms around your chest like you're giving yourself a big hug. Now do this. Do this if you're sitting at your desk, sitting at a chair, sitting there looking at your phone. Wrap your arms, put the phone down and listen. Wrap your arms around like you're taking a big deep breath. And what I want you to do is just inhale nice and deep, nice and deep. And what you may see, just like what we're seeing, is the elbows want to rise, which means you're breathing in that chest. What I'm challenging you to do is, can you take a breath into your stomach without those elbows rising? That's what we're aiming to do. So this is a great exercise to see, first, help athletes become aware of it, help yourself to become aware of it, but that's what we need to do. Take that nice deep breath, breathe into the belly, and don't let the arms rise. So this is just a quick diagnostic tool, just a quick tool to help an athlete connect with it. Try it out, see what happens. So the next one here is lying on the floor, right? Just as shown. And what you're doing is a hand on the chest, hand on the stomach. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose with your tongue against the top teeth. And take that nice deep breath in through your nose and see if you can get your belly to rise first before your chest, right? Let the emphasis be to the belly. So this is level 1. I mean, very, very, very beginning. Can you do this? And if you can't, if you have a hard time doing this, it's something that you have to work at. It's something that you must practice. So there's 3 stages to this as I see it. There's step 1 where you're breathing into the stomach. There's step 2 where you're breathing out in the sides. And there's step 3, the most advanced, can you breathe down towards your back? So a way you can make this exercise easier is you can put your legs up in what they call the 3-month position, right? And where I say they say, I'm not a doctor. I'm regurgitating this from some of the great doctors that I get to work with. But remember, so we're in that 3-month position, thighs at 90, shins at 90 degrees, and we're breathing into our belly first before our chest. This is what we're doing. This position will really help you feel that activation with the diaphragm. So the next thing that you want to do is, can you breathe out to the sides, right? So whether you push in on your sides or you as a coach push in your athletes and have them breathe in, try and use their breath to push the pressure out to the side rather than just muscle. That's that step 2. So I'm leaving you with 3 simple exercises. The hands crossed over in the hug, where you take that deep breath. Do your arms rise or not? The second is lying down on your back and putting a hand on the chest, hand on the stomach, and breathing in through that nose with that tongue against the top teeth. Can you feel that breath engage into your stomach? And if you're having a really hard time with that, add the 3-month position. Go ahead and put your shins 90 degrees, thighs 90 degrees on a bench, on a couch, something, and continue practicing that. And then step 2 of that is, can you apply pressure to the sides? Can you push pressure in on your athlete or have the athlete push pressure in on themselves and have them push your pressure you're pushing in on the sides out by taking the breath, not just with muscle. So I hope that helps. Try that. I cannot push on you guys enough to try this out. Breathing correctly, bracing correctly will not only improve your lifts, but it will keep you safe. So I hope this helps, and until next time.